Hey guys, Andy here. So this video in some ways is just another excuse for me to show you Samsung DeX, which I think is one of the most impressive features in Samsung's flagship devices at the moment. It's not one that I've used in the sort of month or so that I've had my Note 9, but it's this kind of thing that it could be so useful and handy at some point, or just to some people could be a daily used feature that I'm just really impressed by, I suppose. Now, in the past, I've done a video on a USB Type-C to HDMI cable you just plug into your TV and off you go. This one today is a USB-C to DisplayPort adapter, and I suppose what I'm thinking here is it might be more, you know, a lot of modern monitors use DisplayPorts, so people will have that cable and they might want to connect their phone to their current monitor. It's also, if we see on the box there, it's 4K Ultra HD. If we check on the back, I think it says up to 60 Hz, which is pretty good. Showing there obviously all the different things you could connect to. It mentions that it's a braided cable, 100% original product. There's the model number if that helps anybody. I do generally quite like CHOETECH products. I'm not gonna lie, they send me things to review, but actually they send me good quality things, so I would tell you if I thought they weren't good quality. And it's a pretty simple affair here. We've got the Panda bookmark, and then here is the cable itself. And it feels very nice. They do good products with CHOETECH. The braided cable, the gold connector on the USB Type-C, and there it is saying CHOETECH. So now I'm just going to have a bit of a shuffle around to set up my desk computer to be able to use one of the monitors. Obviously the first task is let's get everything plugged in. So I've got the cable coming from the monitor into the adapter into my Note 9. Give it a second, you see a notification appear, or two notifications. One saying we are using DeX and you can swap to screen mirroring, and the other one you tap to get the touchpad. Now, a small issue, on my gaming monitor, my Asus gaming monitor, this is what it looked like. And I could not find a way to make it change the resolution. I did do a bit of Googling. People talked about just some monitors and TVs aren't compatible. They have to have the right resolution. So I switched it over to my other monitor. Here we are, set up on my my second monitor. And you can see that we've basically got the phone as a desktop setup, which I think is brilliant. It's fantastic. All my apps are there. It's like my phone is actually a computer. I know we kind of comment and almost joke you've got a computer in your pocket, but this is literally, I mean, I've got a desktop. We've got the sort of app switcher, we've got home button, we've got back. Over this side we've got notifications and things, I think. Samsung Health, there we go, notifications. Fine. Battery status, Wi-Fi, you know, all this sort of thing here. We can lock the screen, bring up a keyboard. When the keyboard is needed, so you can perhaps see, it pops up on the phone. So we're using the phone when it's not needed as a touchpad, and when it is needed, the keyboard pops up. Have I got any video I can show? Oh, this was just kind of almost random. Oopsie. And this is playing from my phone onto the monitor. Not all apps will run in a sort of a window like that. I could make that full screen, I should probably have showed you, but other ones, let's look at GSAM, that probably won't. There we go. So in other ones it basically will kind of emulate the phone screen. I think there we go, I use two fingers to move that over to one side. Let's look at opening something else up. Google Fit. Again, opens up in a sort of emulated phone screen. So there aren't, in fact, there's probably not that many that are actually coded to make the best of. I would hope if we went into play movies and TV, there we go, so that one is play movies and TV, for example. Again, I can scroll through using 2 fingers on the trackpad. I want to go to my library. Now, granted, you're probably going to just Chromecast if you wanted to watch a movie. But, I mean, this is just me showing you what you can do. And now you get the full screen experience from your phone onto the computer screen. Now you may want to do this on a big screen TV. I'll turn the volume down. There we go. Again, it's just me showing you what the sort of the possibilities are, really. So I just love, you know, you could open up your emails and you could connect in a keyboard if you found, not directly in through this setup, but if you get the extension or the one that gives you 3 or 4 different USB Type-C or just USB connectors with at least one USB Type-C, so you can plug this into it, you can plug a keyboard and mouse into it, and you are literally using it like it's a computer, which I think is just fantastic. So the actual bit of sort of cable and device that we're using, I think it's really good quality. Be aware it's not guaranteed to work on all monitors, so it wouldn't work on my phone. This monitor I think is a resolution type thing, but if they're the same resolution, they're both 2K. I don't know, I couldn't tell you why, but just bear that in mind, I suppose. I mean, luckily, order from Amazon, use the link I've given down below, and you can always return it if it doesn't work for you on the screen you're wanting to use it on. But there we go. Let's just... There it is, the CHOETECH USB Type-C to DisplayPort adapter. Usable on the more recent Samsung Galaxy devices, I think the S8 onwards, to put your screen, well, not just put your screen on a monitor, but to give you that desktop experience. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, but for now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things or request me to review things or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.